the number one investment is not to pay a bill, because bills don't give you no money back. It's to invest it in a strategy that is going to help you get more revenue. How? The easiest way to get more revenue is to get more customers. How do you get more customers? Market. Let me give you an example. You ready? Watch. I'm on my Instagram. This is my Instagram. Now, how to avoid paying taxes, right? You see this right here? Press that. What do I want? More website visits. Next. Who do I want it to go to? Do I want Instagram to suggest the audience, or I've already figured out who my suggested audience is? So I click that. Hit next. Now, how long do I want this to go for? I'm going to put 30 days at $5. That's going to cost me $150 over 30 days to reach anywhere between 9,300 people and 25,000 people. Next. Add funds. Well, I wouldn't do it on Apple because Apple charges an additional $64. But the point that I'm making is this. Why would I spend $150 to reach 9,300 to 25,000? Now, I don't expect 9,300 people to visit my website. I mean, it would be great. But even if I had 100 people visit my website, that's 100 more people that don't know nothing about you. That don't know nothing about me. Do you see the point that I'm making? We overthink and overcomplicate this process. It's that simple. It's that simple. It don't cost you $25,000 in marketing. It can, but you don't have to spend. You can even set $5,000 of that money aside and just boost posts all day. You at least took $5,000 to reach 500,000 people. Perfect. And then once those people become customers, now you're starting to make your money back. Over time. Over time. This is not an overnight fix. Yo, I cannot make this up. And I keep telling people this. Yo, and I know I'm probably, look at this. I'm going to show you something. Watch. Let me show you something. In October, just past October, I had 2,000 followers in October. I had 2,000 followers in October. Now I have 15,000. Do all 15,000 do business with me? No. But here's what I already know about my business. The first time somebody hear me speak, it's going to take them 3 to 6 months before they even decide whether or not they want to do business with me. Rarely do I come across people that hear this information and they see the value automatically and jump on it. My business model ain't never worked that way. It ain't never worked that way. And I can probably count less than, I have over 8,000 people in my database. I can put this on everything. Less than 70 people, maybe less than 50. Less than 50 people have saw me for the first time and made a decision to do business with me. Nope. It takes the average person 3 to 6 months of watching me say the same thing over and over and over and over. Now, I'm not mad that it takes 3 to 6 months. It is what it is. I've just come, to learn that it's just the nature of people. I've learned that. What do I agree? No, because we're not promised 3 to 6 months. That's just my philosophy. But I get it. No love lost. I appreciate anybody who takes the time to listen to me. The point that I'm trying to make to you is it's about planning. So if I know I reach a brand new person today, and it's going to take them 3 to 6 months before they even think about it, right? Now, I know if I reach you today, I'm thinking, oh, I ain't going to see you till 6 months. What is that doing? That allows me to come up with a strategy, that allows me to come up with a plan, that allows me to give information. It allows me to plan. It just allows you to plan and plan and plan. And you just grow in scale, grow in scale, grow in scale. It's the same thing over and over, y'all. This is what Walmart does every day. You don't believe me? Why do you think they do the sales that they do at the exact same time?